chapter 3rd, part I, and question number 36. ਰਵਿੰਦਰ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਨਾ, ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਵੀ ਭਾਰਤ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਭ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਟਾਚਾਰ ਕਰਪਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨੰਬਰ 7ਵਾਂ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਪੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੋਵੇ 34 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਟੀਚਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ, ਟੀਚਰੀ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ, ਰਾਈਟ, ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਵਤ ਦੇਣੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਜੇ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਰਿਸ਼ਵਤ ਦੇਣੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ, ਸਭ ਦਾ ਰਿਸ਼ਵਤ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਉੱਥੇ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਤੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਦਾ ਨੰਬਰ 7ਵਾਂ, ਪਰ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਕਿ ਭਾਰਤ ਦਾ ਨੰਬਰ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਸੀ, ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਰਿਸ਼ਵਤ ਚੱਲ ਗਈ। ਸਮਝ ਲੱਗੀ? ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਮੁਲਕ ਨੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਵਤ ਦੇਤੀ ਤੇ ਨੰਬਰ 7ਵਾਂ ਕਰਤਾ ਭਾਰਤ ਦਾ, ਪਹਿਲਾ ਸੀ। Okay, so the question number 36, which of the following is not one of the three main classification of interest in land that are less than estates? So which of the following is not? Easement is the interest, profit apprender is an interest, restrictive covenant is an interest, life tenancy is not. So it's number 4. This is a very important question actually. And then I'm going to just briefly talk about what we did today. So first we did fee simple. Fee simple means no qualification required to inherit the property. If it's mentioned in a will, it goes to the closer blood relative. If no relative, then it reverts back to the crown. Other type of estate is a life estate. It's for the lifetime of the tenant until the person lives, and it's for an unlimited period of time. And the third type of estate was estate per author way, which is based on other person's life, and there's an uncertainty in that, and it is not very common. Then we talked about 3 types of waste. Number 1 was voluntary, number 2 was permissive, and third was ameliorating, and one other to avoid deliberate destruction was equitable. For permissive, you are not liable because deterioration happens with the passage of the times. And then we talk about the easement. So easement basically means is a privilege by a landowner for the benefit of his land over the piece of other person's land. In this one there are 2 people, dominant and servant, and 3 things to remember. There must be dominant and servant tenement, and the easement must accommodate the dominant tenement, and easement must form a subject matter of a grant. So 3 things to remember. And then we talked about restrictive covenants. Restrictive covenant, it imposes restriction on the use of one person's land for the benefit of another person's land. 2 people are there, covenantee and covenanter. Covenanter is your neighbor, covenanter is you. An example of view. And there are 3 essentials. Easement must be negative in nature, must be binding, and right protected. And the release from this is by express agreement, open enjoyment, or if the character of neighborhood change. Then we talked about joint tenancy. In joint tenancy, 2 main things: undivided interest and right of survivorship. And then 4, unity of time, title, interest, and possession. How it is being terminated by operation of law, by agreement, and by court order. Then we talked about tenancy in common. In tenancy in common, there is only one unity of possession. In this one, there are different shares. If one die, it doesn't go to the remaining shareholders. Termination by agreement to sell part, or by agreement to sell whole, or by court order. And that's it for this chapter 3.